Open Google Play Store and mobile. Search Droid Cam and install it. Open it and follow instructions. Open browser and desktop. Search dev47apps.com.droidcam. Save the file. Open the file location. And extract it. Then click to install. Follow the instructions. Open the DroidCam application from mobile build device it and click Start. Now open the OB Studio. Click on plus sign. Then click on Video Capture Device. Now in Device select DroidCam. Then click OK. You can also use the cam in other applications like Skype instead of OBS Studio. In order to rotate the cam, right-click and mouse. Then select Transform. Then click on Rotate 90 degrees CW. You can adjust cam by click on it. Then change the size. Thank you. Please share, subscribe, and like to my channel.